Chris, we're just waiting on another transmission from Finn, and then we're gonna go quiet.
Oh, it's magnetic. First order, so convenient.
They don't want you to lose your shit.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait!
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention roll breach. Prisoners not seen on the routine. Fire! Escape pods to force. Take a step. No, not her! I said down!
That's it.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
To underestimate their conviction, raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Oh yeah.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Destroy the back.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, Stafford's pop beacon. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck, you're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism.